now we will see the actual iFlow, okay, how it is working. Okay. So this is the BTP cockpit screen. Okay. So this is the destination I am talking about. We can see that. Okay. Name of the destination, type. Okay. The username and password, location, this all. Okay. So this is the cloud I'm talking about. We can see that our connection is established over here successfully. Okay. We can see that.
Yes, I'll.
Okay. Okay. Now we will see. Okay. Whenever we are sending the data from the SAP, from the SAP CPAD to the on-premise system. Okay. Okay. This is the HTTP. Okay. Normal as we are using message mapping. Normal message mapping is there. Okay. No need. And this is so we are looking for on-premise system. Okay. So this is the virtual host and the virtual port with respect to the URL with the client ID and client secret. Okay. So there is one credential. Okay. This credential we have to create. Okay. As we have created the credential also over here. We can see that we have created a credential over here. Okay. It is nothing but the on-premise system user ID and the password. Okay, as we are sending the data to the on-premise system, so we require the user ID and password of that particular system. Okay, after deployment. Okay, so we can send the data from the SAP CPAD to the on-premise system. As we can see, our response is 200. Okay, so we are able to send the data from the SAP CPAD to the on-premise system to the web services basically. Okay, I am talking about the RFC, same iFlow. Nothing much more complicated. Just in place of that particular address, we just want that particular destination name. Okay, as we talked earlier. Okay, under the connection, in connection, we just want this destination name. Okay, this destination name. This destination name. And we created this destination name from here. Okay, so this is our cloud connector screen. Okay.
Yes, I'll.
Huh. I'm talking about this is a cloud connector screen. Okay. From here, we have to add the detail of our tenant. Okay. The region, the sub account name, the user ID, the password, the location, okay, the description and all. Okay. After adding that, okay, I've already made. Okay. Go to cloud to on-premise system. Okay, because we are sending the data from cloud to on-premise system. Okay. So we can see that. Okay. This is the virtual host and the virtual port with respect to the internal host and the internal port. Okay. It is reachable. Okay, this is based on the protocol RFC. Okay, from here we can create it. We can see the ABAP system. There are multiple number of backend system. Okay, see non-SAP system, gateway, SAP HANA. Okay, then based on protocol, I already told HTTP. Okay, HTTP we are having different protocol. HTTPS we are having different protocol number. RFC we are having different protocol. Okay, so we saw the HTTP and the RFC one. Okay, for example, next. Okay, the internal host that I am talking about. Okay, so it is provided by the on-premise system. Okay, with the help of the T code I already shown. Okay, SMICM, okay, SE37, so on. These are the T code. With the help of that T code, we will get that internal host and the internal port. After that internal host and the internal port, we will get the virtual host and the virtual port, which is provided by the on-premise system. Hey, cloud connector, sorry. Okay, so we will little bit see about the about the T codes also. Okay, this is the virtual host and the virtual port. This is the resource, okay, that we require. Okay, this is the resource that we require. Function name, it is also one part of the T code only. Okay, function name. Okay, this is the on-premise system. Okay, this is the first screen we are getting. Okay, okay, so this is the on-premise system. Okay, sorry, yes. Now we want the port number. SMICM. By writing SMICM, okay, we will get the port number. We can see that SMICM, just by writing the T code of SMICM, we will get the port number of HTTP, that is 8701. And for the HTTPS 8006. Okay, for the HTTP we already given 8071 as we already saw. Okay, now SE37, this is the name of the function module. Okay, as we already created this name. Okay, displayed, they already created SE37, it will directly give the name of the function module. Okay, this already we have created. We can see first name, last name. As we can see in the postman also, there is a F name, first name and the last name. Okay, so we concatenated over here. Okay, this is the source code. We can see that concatenate F name into the full name separated by the space. Okay, so basically it is directly triggering from here only. Okay, now the actual address we are getting it from, the actual URL of the SOAP we are getting from SOA manager. After all the port number and all, okay, this is the web service. Okay, the function module name. Okay, the function module name. Okay, that we already given, that is ZSAP. We can see it is recommended. Okay, full ZSAP full name. Search. This is the web service name that we have created. Okay, go to the display. We can see that. Okay, here is also one basic authentication is there. Okay, the username and password. Okay, we can see username and password basic. Okay, we can see this is the URL that we are talking about. The same URL. Okay, the same URL is in the iFlow also. Okay, just with respect to the virtual host and the virtual port, the same URL. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, so thank you. Okay, connection is all clear. Now RFC. Okay, just deploy it. Not deploy it, I guess. Destination name is clear. Okay, we got the destination from the virtual host and the virtual the destination from the uh, cloud connector. Okay, just deploy it. Our iFlow works perfectly. Okay, one more security. I am talking about the security material. Okay, if we are only having the access of the BTP cockpit, whether we have to check our connection is established or not, we can check it from here directly. Okay, cloud connector at the backend, we can see the resources are available. Okay, if we are not having the access of the BTP cockpit and we have to check, okay, whether our connection is established or not, then we can go to the monitoring section. Under the monitoring section, just go to the connectivity test. Under the connectivity test, we can see that there is a cloud connector option. Okay, I already told, okay, while adding the tenant details, there are no location ID option is there. Okay, so under that location ID, I have played Gujarat. So with the help of that particular location ID, okay, which plays a very crucial role over here for the connectivity test, we can see that our cloud connected is connected with the SAP system successfully. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any doubts, ma'am?
Yes, no doubt. Could you
Is it
also
clear?
show the URL that you were talking about that is present in our SAP system, in our iFlow, basically?
Yes, ma'am. You're talking about this URL, no? This one, na, ma'am?
Right.
Ha, this URL, this URL we got from the SOA manager. It is from the on-premise system only. Okay.
Okay.
Ha, and this is nothing but this is the virtual host and the virtual port we created.
Right.
Okay, and this HTTP and column double slash it is mandatory to put, as it is a
Mm,
HTTP protocol, I guess. So
yes.
possibility HTTP protocol. So we are writing your HTTP. If
Okay.
HTTPS protocol, then I guess we will write HTTPS column double slash then virtual host then the rest of the URL.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.